What's a wild NSFW fact that you know? 1. Nintendo owns the rights to a porno called The Super Hornio Brothers and Ron Jeremy played Mario. 2. Bedbugs reproduce through traumatic insemination, and males have to pierce the body cavity of the female and directly inject sperm into them. This is the only way they do it, as if everything else about them wasn't bad enough. 3. Before the discovery of penicillin, syphilis was a horror of a disease. It was discovered that a high fever early after symptoms developed could kill the syphilis infection. But how do you summon a fever on demand? Malaria. Malaria wasn't curable, but it could be kept in remission with quinine. Someone with sufficient means, upon having contracted syphilis, could be deliberately infected with malaria and then take quinine for the rest of their life. Even if the treatment failed, death over a few nights from a malaria fever was likely a better fate than having the black lion slowly destroy the patient's body and mind. 4. Mary Shelley lost her V on her mother's grave. 5. Touching some, maybe most, not an expert, species of pet bird on their bodies, wings/anywhere really is fun time stimulating for them, and many owners have behavioral issues with their pet bird/parrot because they are not aware of the fact that they are constantly edging their pet.